I welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode I'm gonna talk about the board which is very important, and this board is known as Employee of the Month board. Yes guys, on cruise there are many departments, and every department they choose one employee of the month and their picture is on this board. So I'll just take a little detour of this board. I'll show it to you how this board look like. Guys, this is the board of July 2019. So all the department has a employee of the month, and you can see the photos of those people. Okay, so there is my department also. Yes, this is the guy from my department. His name is Prashant. He's a very nice guy. She's my manager, very nice, and this is my captain. So both are very nice person. And that's it guys, nothing much. They'll tell you about this, which department you're working and why you're getting employee of the month. The manager will mention the comment, and they will put the comment also on this board. So this is known as an employee of the month board. That's it.